Hello, people. This is my fourth review of the day, and I'm reviewing this Amir Khan film called Raja Hindustani. I'm sitting in office as I review, and there's no one around right now. They've gone for lunch, and that's why I'm able to speak so loudly and basically have my video shooting in the office. So, Raja Hindustani. Now, honestly, this movie when it came, its most I don't know, the alluring part of the film was the fact that it featured probably one of the first times ever a smooch, a long smooch between the lead characters, that was Karishma Kapoor and Amir Khan. So I remember being just in school then, but kind of scandalized the entire country, Up until then, there weren't any real smooth scenes on screen. So this film will stand out for like being a trendsetter in this particular aspect of filmmaking, whatever. And the storyline was also a bit, I don't know, they say the common man with these big aspirations would have really, like, common man, I mean, like, basically, the film is about this rich tourist, this lady who falls in love with a taxi driver, and then she fights with her entire family to be with him, and then he fights with her to basically vanish, and they have like a child together. So she takes the child, and she's trying to get him back. And honestly, I wasn't a big fan of the story as such, but this film did well for certain reasons that I have already discussed. So, and the lead pair is also quite sweet to look at, they are Karishma Kapoor. And so, yeah, I would give it a 3-star rating. And in fact, this film is supposed to be a turning point in her career. Karishma Kapoor was going through, like, most of her films weren't doing as well as someone from the Kapoor family should have had her films, being just one hit after the other. But so that way, Raja Hindustani introduced Manish Malhotra's styling also into, like after that, Manish Malhotra came to be known as like a stylist of very, very high standing. So do watch it. Uh, I would say it's not like a must watch, but yeah, 3-star rating, or personal rating would be 2 stars, but whatever. So, Navneet Nishant is also plays a role in this, and Kunal Khemu, who later on, is in real life, related to Karishma Kapoor in a very roundabout way. He also plays a very cute role in the film. So these are the cute little highlights, high points of the film. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.